Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're asking what other potential visitors? So I'm bringing this up from a recent article, the Thai Inquirer, ThaiInquirer.com. Article is titled, Opposition Leader Argues Thailand Should Court Other Visitor Groups Other Than Retirees. Quoting directly, an opposition parliamentarian on Tuesday said that Thailand should focus on other potential visitors after the country was named as one of the best places to retire. And we've done other videos on this. Thailand has been ranked as a top place to retire in the world, as well as being the best to retire in Asia. But the question posed by this is, what other potential visitors? As of now, sitting here in January, everything's closed for the most part. I mean, folks have to go through a prolonged quarantine, otherwise they can use the Phuket sandbox, and that can be a little bit cumbersome because you got to spend a prolonged period of time down there, even though you're not in you're not locked in a room. But the question posed by this is, I think diversification of visitors or tourism groups, whatever you want to call it, in the demographic, would probably be a good thing. We just need to get visitors, period. If what Thailand's getting right now is retirees, so be it, in my opinion. And I've discussed this in other videos. Retirees, quite frankly, I think we should really be trying to prioritize them more because they have at least proven to be, at least demographically, sort of a stable source of arrivals here in Thailand, and they come here and spend money on a prolonged basis. So I definitely think retirees are a good resource for the kingdom. But, going back to the original point, yeah, more tourists would be great, and a diverse range of them from different, places, from different, demographic or financial backgrounds. All of that would be awesome, but we need to open so we can get some people in. I mean, as it sits right now, there's a massive hindrance, at least in the minds of most folks, to coming to Thailand because of all the quarantine requirements. And frankly, I've gotten not a little bit of correspondence from a lot of different folks that all the quote-unquote hoops you got to jump through to get into Thailand also tend to put people off. So hopefully we'll see, an improvement in this overall as the situation evolves.